Hello Kabalen! Welcome to We're in Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa cheesiest place on earth for the second time.
And now we're invited for the second time dahil titikman natin yung mga iba pang mga sinaserve nila dito. So tara guys, if you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
We are very grateful dahil this is our second time to visit EBC. So just trivia, this is the first and only as of now na EBC dito po sa Pampanga and located dito sa may SM City Clark. And now we are arranging our table dahil sobrang dami ng mga sinerve natin dito. Again, thank you so much EBC, SM City Clark. We're gonna enjoy right now. Let's go!
Ito craving siya. May isang araw pa nagsasabi, kakain tayo dun, kain tayo. Saan ba yun? Lagi niya manakit dito. Sabi ko, saan ba yun?
Okay, okay. Sa ibang branches, natikman nyo na siya o hindi pa? So first time ever talaga dito. Alright, enjoy po kayo.
Kasama natin si Sir Jervy, manager dito sa may ABC Clark. So dito sir, ano ba yung mga sinaserve natin dito?
Sir, so bali nung grand opening po kasi natin, sinerve po namin sa inyo yung flagship natin, which is yung mga fondue. Doon sa fondue natin, sir, actually meron tayong tatlong klase. Meron tayong classic 3 cheese fondue, white cheese, at saka yung spicy pimento.
Oh.
So sa cheesy burger natin, sir, ito po yung cheddar beef natin. And ito po yung cream cheese with buffalo sa sandwich po natin.
Nice.
Then sa baked rice naman natin, sir, meron po tayong Philly cheese steak, meron po tayong garlic parmesan, cheddar parmigiana. Then meron pa po tayong isa, sir, which is yung spicy buffalo po. Then meron din po tayong chicken cheesy poppers. Then may bago po tayong product, sir, which is yung party pan natin. This one, sir, is yung garlic parmesan po natin. Though meron po tayong spicy buffalo. Then meron din po tayong mac and cheese, yung spinach and white and pork cheese and bacon.
Actually ito sir, maganda ngayon since magpapasko sa mga events, sa mga party, talagang ready to go na yung
Yes,
mga
sir,
ano natin.
actually po,
bago
yan
natin.
po yung best seller natin ngayon, yung garlic parmesan sa mga party natin. Then sir, meron po tayong mac and cheese, sir. Yung mac and cheese natin, sir, meron po tayong spinach and white and pork cheese and bacon. Meron din po tayong beef and tomato. Then sa cheesy dips natin, sir, meron po tayong nachos and mozzarella sticks. Meron din po tayong onion rings and cheese fries po.
At the same time, sa mga naghahanap naman ng bago dito, so nakita ko meron tayong mga bagong klase ng coffee dito.
Yes, sir. Actually, bagong labas po natin yan. Yung brewed coffee for iced coffee po natin and yung brewed coffee for hot coffee.
Actually, ito maganda to sa mga naghahanap ng mga pang-merienda or even pang breakfast kasama ng mga sandwiches natin. So,
Yes,
yun.
sir, actually.
So, next thing to do natin, let's taste them.
So, ayun nga guys, this is our table. Again, thank you so much EBC, SM City Clark for inviting us. Looking from their menu, ganito pala itsura yung mga ibang dishes nila.
Actually, as a cheesy lover, personally,
Yes, I know.
gustong-gusto ko itong mga kakainin natin.
Yes, yes.
At the same time, since ito yung bestseller nila, ito pa lang parang full pack na.
Yan.
Meron ka ng fries, onion ring, nachos, yung kanilang chicken,
Correct.
and yung cheese itself.
See, this is actually good for 2 to 3 persons. So, if you order another one, syempre, your time is gonna be really, really
So,
full.
let's taste them.
Alright.
Actually, dito ako nag-enjoy.
Aha.
Kasi all cheese and, you know, overflowing talaga.
I know. Okay. So, with the cheese and this chicken poppers, ayun o. Oh.
Meron din silang mga mozzarella dito, which is yung isang favorite ko.
Yeah. Okay, so it's dip it, bro. From their name itself, this is actually a heaven for those who love cheese.
Tsaka cheesy lover.
Cheesy lover, they are trying to parang bring yung cheese sa masa.
Yes.
So it doesn't need to be scary or yung parang ma-intimidate ka.
Or expensive. Yes.
Yes, expensive, correct.
Yeah.
Cheese has to be loved by everyone, bro. EBC is not just for merienda or even for parang full meal. they, I mean, presented the same. I mean, they almost look similar in color and everything. They have different tastes. Alright, so yun guys, what a way to end the vlog.
Yes.
Of course, with some
Dessert. Yes.
This is to close yung palette natin. After all those very creamy,
Savory,
salty, sour na mga cheese, you're gonna finish it off with this
cheese bar. Yes.
Alright, so yun. Before I say mine, grabe, ang sarap pala dito.
Actually.
So ayun guys, again, EBC or Everything But Cheese SM City Clark is located po dito sa may Tech Hub 8
Yes.
ng Skyline, first level. Pinaka-landmark natin is just across yung 3 Park. If you are looking for your merienda as well as your break meals, dito na po tayo sa
At the
EBC.
same time, sa mga pang-party nila, ng mga takeouts and mga gathering na pupuntahan, available na rin yung mga party trays nila.
Yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and you share it with your friends.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next stop. Peace out.